Another dictionary method that we can use is the Fromkeys method, and this is used to create a new dictionary. And let's say that we have a list, and it's name and then age, and we want to turn that into a dictionary. What we can do is we can say I'll just make a variable here, is equal to, and one way of doing it is just you create an empty dictionary, but then you also say Fromkeys, and you pass in this list, and then we'll just print this to see what we got. Okay, so we can see that when we do Fromkeys, it took this list and then used those as the keys for a dictionary and then defaulted the items to none. So we're able to initialize a dictionary with some predefined keys. This can also be done this way. You can say DICT Fromkeys, and this will work as well. And you can see that we got the same results. Another thing you can do is, let's say that you don't want none to be the default values. What you can do is you can say Fromkeys, and you can add another parameter to this method call, and and you can see where it says value and none. We can put in a different value, so we can put maybe unknown is the value that we want in there, and then run that. And now you'll see that it put unknown instead of none in that place, so you can change what the default value is. So that's the Fromkeys method. Thank you.